What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. We've got another STI video, of course, as you can see, your guys' favorite. Before we do get today's video started though, just want to say today, March 30th, is my 24th birthday. So if you guys are feeling like giving me a little present for my birthday, best you could do is go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're getting close to 10,000 subs, so any help is very much appreciated. It's a little windy out here. I hope there's not too much wind noise. But today is part 2 of Tori driving the STI.
Can you get me that bumper thing on the top so we can put it on your car that says smooth driver?
No. Alright, so if you guys haven't watched the first video of Tori driving the STI yet, I'll put the link in the description below. Today's goal, Tori knows how to pull the car out of first, shift into second. I want to get her to warm up a little bit, and then this road over here isn't too busy. Maybe we can get Tori to drive on the main road. Get her shifting up to like 3rd and 4th gear and stuff like that. So are you excited? You nervous?
No.
You're gonna do great.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, today's my birthday. I told them. I told them I'm 24 today. Alright, do you need me in the car?
Nah.
You wanna just go and I'll record you?
Okay.
Alright, Tori's feeling confident today. Don't break my baby.
Don't break my baby.
It's been a couple of months, actually almost a year since he's driven this car, so let's see how she does. She's rolling. Just pull the clutch out, feel it out, and when you feel it start to grab, give it a little bit of gas. You're already rolling. Huh? Yeah, because you're on a hill. There you go. Alright, we're in the car with Tori. Tori didn't want to go by herself. She's nervous.
No, they're just making me nervous.
There's some student drivers out here learning how to drive, so Tori's nervous. Don't worry about them. They're just looking at how fresh the STI is. Oh gosh. You're good. Easy on the pedal. Stop at the stop right there. Let me put my seatbelt on really quick.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
What? Why?
I don't want to.
Tori, just go.
No, I've committed already.
Oh my gosh. I don't even think there's space for them to pass
you.
yet. There's a student driver that pulled up behind Tori.
I'm just preparing them.
Right there, easy.
Why is it doing that?
You're not doing it smoothly.
I'm trying.
All right.
Oh, I didn't. Okay, go into second.
Yep.
Do I go out?
Let it out easy. Well, now there's another stop. You're gonna get a lot of practice right now pulling it out of first.
You know what the problem is?
What's the problem?
I've never driven this car with shoes on.
Yeah, I don't know. That's weird. People normally drive with shoes with sneakers on. Take it out nice and slow. Don't even give it gas until you feel it start to go.
Oh.
Right there. I'll give it a little bit of gas. See, that's better. Clutch in, clutch in. Were you gonna stop?
Yes.
So clutch in because you're in gear, and then you take it out of gear, or else the car's gonna stall out.
Don't yell.
Oh, I'm not yelling.
You did.
You're on a hill right now, so let's see if you can.
On purpose.
The car is hill assist, so you should be fine. Right there, give it gas. That's good. And of course, there's this lady just walking around the parking lot.
Do you just keep your leg by the clutch at all times?
No, I put it on to the left. Shift. You took out the clutch too fast. You need to be smooth with it.
That is so much work.
No, it's just things that you learn, but you don't just put it into gear and then just pop the clutch out. Maybe we're not going to be going on the main road today. Tori is struggling a little bit. Oh, stalled it. gas. There you go. More gas when you do it.
I can't do it.
Tori,
I don't know what's wrong with me.
the car is not gonna go until the clutch is at its catch point. So there's a lot of dead space from the bottom to about the middle, halfway up. So you can give it all the gas you want until you get to the catch point. You're not gonna go. You're really taking your sneakers off. Oh boy. When you get to the catch point, then you give it gas. But if you're not there yet, you can give it all the gas you want. The car's not gonna go, and you're gonna keep rolling down because you're taking too long to get there. You need to learn where the catch point is. There you go, give it gas. Oh my god. Tori, you're on a hill. You're on a hill, so you're rolling back and you're not giving it enough gas.
This is stupid. I'm sorry I broke your car.
Alright.
I heard that in my heart.
Yeah, my heart's breaking right now. Tori, you're on a hill, so it needs to get more gas. Huh?
I'm done.
You're done?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. I'm not gonna force you. It's alright, we'll give it another try another day. A for effort, you tried. Well, you guys, I had high expectations. I thought we'd be able to see Tori actually drive on a road and not just the parking lot, but looks like we got some more practice to get done. So until next time, if you guys want to go ahead and subscribe down below for my birthday, let's get to 10,000. I'd appreciate it. Tori, you want to say anything?
I'm not usually this bad.
Will you redeem yourself next time?
Yeah.
All right, well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. As always, peace.